Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the equations of the ellipse, means how to find the equations of the ellipse. Okay. First problem, find the equation of the ellipse whose focus is 1 comma minus 1 and directrix is x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and eccentricity is 1 by 2. Eccentricity is 1 by 2. Focus is given 1 comma minus 1, directrix is given and x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and eccentricity 1 by 2 is given. So given focus 1 comma minus 1, that equal to x1 y1, means x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to minus 1, and directrix x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If you compare, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 3, and eccentricity e equal to 1 by 2 is given. Focus, directrix and eccentricity ఇచ్చినప్పుడు, to find the equation of the ellipse, we have the formula. The equation of the ellipse whose focus is x1 y1 and directrix is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, eccentricity e is given by x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square. So we have to substitute the values. This is the formula where x1 is 1, y1 is minus 1, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, e equal to 1 by 2 and c equal to 3. Okay, c equal to 3. So x minus x1 means x minus 1, x unequal to 1 and y whole square, y minus of minus 1 whole square, e means 1 by 2 whole square, ax, a means 1, x, b means minus 1 minus y, c means 3 whole square, x minus y plus 3 whole square by a square plus b square, a means 1 whole square plus b means minus 1 whole square. So we have to simplify this one. We get this one. X minus 1 whole square, y minus of minus means y plus 1 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4, x minus y plus 3 whole square, 1 square means 1, minus 1 square means 1. This is 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 4 8, 8 it divide చేస్తుంది, it brings to cross multiplication 8 into x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to x minus y plus 3 whole square. Okay, here a minus b plus c whole square formula, a plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where a equal to x, b equal to minus y, c equal to 3. So 8 into a minus b whole square, x square minus 2x plus 1, a square minus b square plus 2ab. ఇది a plus b whole square, y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 2y plus 1. It is a square plus b square means x square plus y square plus 3 square c square minus 2ab means minus 2xy minus 2b and 2bc means 6y minus 6y, 2ca 2 into 3 into x means 6x plus 6x. So simplify this one. The LHS a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. Next simplification, multiply with 8, 8x square, 8 into 2, 8x minus 16x, 8 into 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 into 8, that is 16, 8 into y square, 8y square, 8 into 2y, 16y, x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 6y plus 6x plus 9. So if you bring these terms, total terms to LHS, 8x square minus x square 7x square, y square 8y square minus y square 7y square minus 2xy becomes plus 2xy, and this plus 6x comes to this side minus 6x, 16 minus 6 minus 22x, if minus 6y comes to this y plus 16y plus 6 22y, 9 becomes minus 9, 6 minus 9 7. 16 minus 9 7 equal to G. Okay, means 7x square plus 7y square plus 2xy minus 22x plus 22y plus 7 equal to 0. It is the equation of the ellipse whose center is direct focus is 1 comma minus 1, directrix is x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and eccentricity. ఈ మూడు 3 వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇది కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫార్ములా ఇది మెయిన్ ఫార్ములా. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equal to e square into ax plus by plus c whole square by a square plus b square, and simplification we get the answer. And not only for ellipse, for hyperbola and parabola also same. Focus, directrix, eccentricity ఇచ్చినప్పుడు same formula. Okay, next homework problem. Find the equation of the ellipse whose focus is 1 comma minus 2, directrix is 3x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, eccentricity e equal to 1 by root 2. Okay, it is homework problem. Next, find the equation of the ellipse whose center is origin, whose axes are the coordinate axis, which passes through the points 1 comma minus 3 and minus 2 comma 2. Center is origin and whose axes are coordinate axis, means the ellipse must be like this or like this. Okay, ఈ విధంగా ఉండొచ్చు. So the general form, the equation of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. That is equation 1. And given points capital A, I am taking 1 comma minus 3 and capital B, that is minus 2 comma 2. And these points given equation 1 is passing through these points A comma B, means we have to substitute these points, then equation must be satisfied. X equal to y equal to value substitute చేయాలి. 2 equations వస్తాయి, వాటిని సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఇందులో in this x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 lo we need to find a square value, b square value. For that, a value for b value, it is given, it is passing through these 2 points. ఈ 2 points unda pass అవుతాయి కాబట్టి 2 equations. By using these 2 equations, we need to find a value, b value. Next, equation 1 passes through capital A and B. Capital A means, what is the capital A point? 1 comma minus 3. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 3. So 1 by 1 square by a square minus 3 square by b square equal to 1. That is 1 by a square minus 3 means 9 by b square equal to 1. And b point, b means minus 2 comma 2. Therefore minus 2 whole square by a square plus 2 whole square by b square equal to 1. That is 4 by a square plus 4 by b square equal to 1. 4 is the common. In 2 terms we have 4 common. 4 into 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1. If this 4 comes to RHS, it is 1 by 4. 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by 4. Means we got these 2 equations. 1 by a square plus 9 by b square equal to 1. That is second equation. 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by 4. By using these equations, we have to find a comma b value. So here 1 by a square is same. So I will subtract 2 minus 3. Then these 2 terms will be cancelled. We will get b value. Okay. So first 2 minus 3. If you do 2 minus 3, 1 by a square minus 1 by a square cancel out. 9 by b square minus 1 by a square, that is 8 by b square. 9 by b square minus 1 by b square, middle minus 1 by b square is the common. 9 minus 1, that is 8. 8 by b square equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 means here 4 is the LCM. 4 minus 1 means 3 by 4. 8 by b square equal to 3 by 4. Cross multiplication. 1 by b square equal to 3 by 32. 8 will becomes to this side. Then b square equal, it becomes reciprocal, 32 by 3. 1 by b square equal to 3 by 32. Then b square equal to 32 by 3. So substitute this b square value in equation 2 or 3, any one equation. I am substituting in the equation 3, that is 1 by a square And equation 3, what is the equation 3? 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equal to 1 by 4. In this equation, 1 by b square value, I am substituting 1 by b square value. 1 by b square means 3 by 32 in the equation. That is 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. 1 by b square means 3 by 32 equal to 1 by 4. Okay. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈక్వేషన్ 3 ఏంటి? 1 బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 బై బీ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 బై 4. ఈ 1 బై బీ స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? 3 బై 32. ఫ్రమ్ ఇయర్ 3 by 32, I am substituting 1 by a square plus 3 by 32 equal to 1 by 4. If this 3 by 32 goes to RHS, then 1 by a square equal to 1 by 4 minus 3 by 32. 3 by 32 is the LCM, 4 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 32. 1 by a square equal to 5 by 32. Means a square equal to 1 by a square equal to 5 by 32, means a square equal to 32 by 5. This a square value and b square value we have to substitute in the equation 1, that is x square by a square equal to 1, y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square value 32 by 5 and y square by b square value 32 by 3. B square value where it is? B square value 32 by 3. These two values I am substituting. So it is reciprocal. 5x square by 32, 5x square by 32 it will come, and it is 3y square by 32 equal to 1. 1 by 32 is the common, it will goes to RHS. We get 5x square plus 3y square equal to 32. 1 into 32 is the 32. This is the equation of ellipse passing through the points. Two points are passing through an ellipse and which center is origin and axis are the coordinate axis అని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు we have to take the general form. 1 by means x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 ellipse equation. In that substitute the given points, we get equation and solve. We get a value, b value, and resubstitute a value, b value in the equation 1, we get the answer. Okay, next homework problem. Same, the equation of the ellipse, center is origin and axis are coordinate axis and passing through the points minus 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 3. Okay, complete homework problems and complete your fair notes also day by day. Okay, if you have any doubts, you send me a message or call to me. Thank you.